you want to factory reset your iPhone before selling it, trading it in, or giving it away, here's the fastest way to delete everything safely. First, make sure your iPhone is backed up to iCloud or transferred to your new device because once you erase the phone, you cannot recover the data later. Now, open the Settings app and tap on General all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Erase All Content and Settings. This option will completely remove your photos, videos, apps, messages, Apple ID data, and other personal information from the iPhone. Tap Continue and enter your passcode if prompted. Now, just wait a few minutes while the iPhone resets itself. Once it restarts, the device will return to the original setup screen, like a brand new iPhone. And that's how to factory reset an iPhone and erase all data completely.